Hey traders, this is Ron Hayden, Market Tamer. Hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend. As always, nothing in this presentation shall constitute a recommendation to buy or sell any security. Trading stocks and options involves risk, and specific financial issues should always be addressed with your financial advisor. As I record this, it's about 9:10 p.m. Eastern here on Sunday night. So I'm going to keep this video short and to the point to get it out to you guys tonight. And then tomorrow night, we'll look at some more individual stocks. Right now, the ES futures are pointing lower, which are the S&P futures by 18 points, the NQs and NASDAQ 100 down 46, and the Dow's down about 181. So a lot can change between now and morning, but as of right now, it's pointing to a lower open. Where we sit right now on these daily charts, and this is the Diamond ETF, the DIA, the support level, this is give or take. It's not like it's an exact number. It's around 240, 250, 243, right in here. And right now, we would be opening up about a buck lower than 244. We would be down at 243. We're literally testing that support level. And if things were to accelerate to the downside tomorrow, then we're going to bust through this, what now is a multi-month box. If I go to a weekly chart, and this is where it sort of comes together a little bit better, a 2-year weekly chart. So now every candle represents 1 week. These are the lows right now around 242, 243. The next set of lows where we can connect dots is right around 230, 231, or we could say, 232. So it's about a 200-point Dow, $2 diamond window, 230, 232. That's another big drop from where we are right now. That's 1,000 plus points, 1,300 points. That would really get some people freaking out, I think, maybe more so than they are right now. And that goes back to basically the February, March, April lows of this year. If we take a look at the spiders, which I have a bullish position in, and we stay on this weekly chart, I had this drawn in, for frankly back February, March, April, and then again when we started pulling back, this was the target zone. The lows here, 254-ish up into 260. Well, that's $3 to maybe $9 away, or 30 to 90 S&P points. If the Dow and the S&P get tied together, you could see like a 90-point S&P drop, 1,300 on the Dow. They would sort of come into that same area if we get another big push. You can also see here on the weekly chart how these higher prices around 280 right now is a big deal. We could not get above it the week of 11.5, or could we get above it last week? And if I go to a daily chart, let's just do 6-month daily on the SPY. Now you can see that horizontal bar I had in on the weekly chart. You can see how it comes in there. Initially, it starts around 262. If I go out 2 years, then you see how it cuts in around 252. So that's the downside window where support could come in. If we take a look at the Qs, the NASDAQ 100, they're, 153-ish. We're at 161. That would be another big plunge. If I take a look at the IWM, which is the Russell 2000, we already broke through the previous lows. If I zoom out, the next support level, oh wait, it's on it. So the next support level for the IWM on a daily chart, all the way down here in the low 130s. So this one's a long distance off. Not saying these things are going to get there, but right now, whether it's the spiders, the diamonds, hues, everything's looking bearish right now. And bears definitely have the edge. Caution is absolutely warranted as it stands right now. We take a look at gold. Its seasonal window picks up in about 2 weeks. It's already starting to get a little bit of headway here, not a whole lot, but we did break out on Friday just a little bit. Volume was a little lackluster, but it's still decent. If I was going to try to trade gold bullish and jump the gun early, so to speak, before the end of the year comes out, I'd probably right now go with a 20-day EMA as a potential trailing stop. And then if we look at bonds, they're catching a little bit of a bid here. They're up, but they have a double top up there at 121. That would be the target right now. So again, caution for this week in equities. In Monday night's video, I'll bring you guys some other individual stocks, and we'll see how currently the futures are trading lower, see how that plays out again tomorrow. But again, bears have the edge on the daily and the weeklies right now. So wish you guys a fantastic holiday season to you and your families, and I'll see you in the next video. Take good care.